Hi guys! Today I'm gonna be making a reindeer hat, and first thing you need to make is you're gonna need a box, a Ritz box, it's a cookie, and then you're just gonna make a big curve, cut it out, and you want this big curve to be the reindeer's face. Now we're gonna make the eyes for the reindeer. So we're gonna need a first we're gonna use a pencil so we don't make mistakes. So let me draw eyes. So I'm just gonna make a little curve. And then I'm gonna make little eyelashes. Like that. Do that for the other side. Like that. And now we're gonna trace it. So here's our black marker and we're gonna trace. So we're gonna carefully trace our line. And then we're gonna trace the eyelashes. Then we're gonna make little eyes in the middle. Like that. So I cut it a circle from construction paper and it's red. And then it's for the nose, and I'm gonna take my glue stick and I'm gonna put glue on one of the sides. And then I'm gonna glue it on. Just gonna put some glue. That. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Now, time to draw the mouth. So we're gonna make a big smiley face like that, and then we're gonna make a little line like that. This is the mouth. Now we're going to start the antlers. So first we are going to start making a line. And then we're gonna go curving from the top and go one curve, and then we go like another curve, and then another curve, and then down, like that. And we're gonna do one more. So I'm gonna do it here because we don't have enough space. And I'm gonna make a line, and then I'm gonna go 1, 2, and then 3. So I cut it out the antlers, and now it's time to glue them at the back. So you want to turn around your reindeer, and then you're gonna put some glue half of the antlers, and then you're gonna glue it on. So first we're gonna see where we put it on. So we're gonna put it on right here. And same thing for the other one. So here's it. Now that I glued the antlers, now it's time to make the ears. So what we're gonna be doing for the ear is making like a kind of shape of a leaf. So we're gonna start from the point. So we're gonna just start from a dot, and then we're gonna go down and make another one, and then we're gonna go curve down like that. we're gonna do another one. Point. We go down. And then we curve like that. Now it's time to cut it out. Okay, so I made little ears. So I took white paper and I made little leaves, like how I did for the ears. And I put like a leaf shape and I glued them inside. And now I'm gonna glue it onto the reindeer's face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the bottom. Like that. And then I'm gonna keep like this and just lift up. And like that. Just glue it on. Press it hard. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. So I'm gonna put some glue. And then I'm gonna lift it up and put it on like that. Make sure it's nice and straight, like that. So that's how our ears are gonna look. Ta-da! Here is my reindeer, and I put these little paper strands and I glued them and I stapled it. So first I put it on my head, and you're gonna need your mom to do it. So you're gonna put it on your head and see the size, and then you're just gonna take it off and staple it so you can wear it. And you can make different type of ones, anything you want. Bye. Thank you for watching.